In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. Whether you're looking to take a break from AI recommendations or simply want a quieter browsing experience, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. To begin, you'll need access to the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you have it open, head over to your direct messages, often referred to as DMs, or you can use the search bar on the app's interface. This is typically where the Meta AI icon makes its presence known. If you've noticed it, that's your cue to get started. When you see the blue gradient circle icon representing Meta AI in the search bar, give it a tap. Alternatively, you can open the Meta AI chat directly if it's appeared in your DMs list. This initial action sets the stage for managing your Meta AI interactions. Within the Meta AI chat, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You'll spot the eye icon representing information. Tapping this will take you to the settings interface for the particular chat. It might seem a small action, but it's crucial as it brings up the controls you'll need to mute or manage the Meta AI chat under your preference. Now that you're in the settings, there's an option labeled mute or something similar. Tap on it, and here you'll find a toggle for mute messages. This is the key setting that allows you to control the flow of messages from the Meta AI. When you activate this option, you'll see a list of durations. For a more permanent solution, choose Until I Change, which will indefinitely mute messages from Meta AI. This ensures you won't receive any notifications or interruptions unless you decide to change this setting later. For those of you who want to ensure there's even less interaction with Meta AI, consider another step you can take: blocking or restricting the Meta AI profile entirely. These options are usually available within the same settings area and offer an additional layer of control. Blocking completely stops the Meta AI from accessing your profile, whereas restricting limits its interactions further. And there you have it.